Why does Bitcoin rise while other altcoins stay in one place? Why can some meme coins make 1000% per week while others stay in one place? And finally, how to stop investing in coins that will never increase in price while others fly. Everything in this video is under 3 minutes. Let's start. We're diving into a hot topic: how money actually flows during a bull market. Forget the old school formula: Bitcoin, Ethereum, alts, micros, repeat. It's outdated. The game has changed, and today I will walk you through the new bull market and its 6 key phases. Phase 1. Bitcoin leads the charge. No surprises here, this hasn't changed. It's still Bitcoin, the king moves first, setting the stage for the entire market. When Bitcoin pumps, everything else waits its turn. And when Bitcoin starts to cool off, that's when the real action begins. Phase 2. The Ethereum and Solana Showdown. Here's where things change. This is the battle between Ethereum and Solana, with 2 potential scenarios playing out. Scenario A. Ethereum takes the spotlight and Solana often joins the ride. This is similar to what's happened in previous bull runs. Scenario B. Solana takes the spotlight, Ethereum gets skipped entirely, underperforms and lags behind, which it has so far. Why the change? Market dynamics are shifting and Solana's growing ecosystem is starting to challenge Ethereum's dominance in certain narratives, particularly memes. Phase 3. Major altcoins step up. Think big names like Dogecoin, Avalanche, Cardano, Link, Sheep, and Ton. But here is the catch: not all of them will pop off equally. Some might underperform or arrive late to the party. This phase requires a lot of patience and strategy. Phase 4. The hottest narratives. This phase is all about the hottest narratives: AI, tokens, gaming, real-world assets, or meme coins. The winners here are often the coins everyone is talking about on socials. A quick tip for this phase: stay plugged into social media trends. It's your best friend for spotting the next big thing before it explodes. Phase 5. Things get wild. This is where the leftover micros and the trashiest coins pump like crazy. But here's a warning: if you're new to this, don't chase every 10x pump you see. Don't chase the green candle. This phase is where most traders end up giving their profits right back to the market, so be careful. Phase 6. Money flows back to Bitcoin. This phase completes the cycle. Money flows right back into Bitcoin, often setting the stage for the next run-up or making the end of the bull market. At this point, you want to have the majority of your portfolio in blue-chip cryptos or stablecoins. So here is the deal: as the crypto market matures, these cycles are becoming less predictable. But right now, we're in a golden opportunity and I don't want you to waste this bull market. You still have time to make life-changing money. If you want to stay ahead of the game, keep up with our free Telegram channel where every day we share useful materials, signals, investment ideas, and others. Hit the subscribe button, share this video with a friend, drop a comment below this video with which crypto you are going to ride this bull run. And until next time, guys, bye, love you.